ULaher uthi waqashwa iTransnet kusukela ngo-2005 ukuthi engamele umnyango wezemali kule nkampani. Uthi kepha akabanga ingxenye yokucikicwa kwezivumelwano ezithile ezithinta ukuthengwa kwezinjini ezintsha zezitimela zakwaTransnet.
During the negotiation process, which was around February-March 2014, I advised Mr. Singh very specifically that this proposed transaction was going to increase or was going to exceed the ETC that was approved by the board. At that point in time, Mr. Singh told me he would deal with it. With the background that I wasn't involved in the actual ETC process or the approval process, I only got told at the start, so towards the start of the negotiations, this is what the board has approved in terms of the ETC.
ULaher uthi nokho wazenza iziphakamiso ezahlukene ezifana nokuthi labo ababefake izicelo zalamathenda akumele baguqule isamba semali asebesifakile.
In the caucus, I raised with the people in the caucus, namely Mr. Singh and Gianni, that the mandate that we were provided, the draft mandate that we were provided, said that the price cannot change for the reduction in the batch. So I warned them and I said, we cannot allow for the bidders to change their prices. It's against the mandate.
Uqhube wathi khathi kubanjwe izingxoxo zalezi inkontileka watshelwa nguMr Sai nowabe AGCFO kwaTransnet ukuthi ibhodi selivelelwa gonyazile lamathenda abalelwa ku36.6 billion wamarandi. Izolo Owethula ubufakazi lapha uHank Bester utshele ikhomishana ukuthi yena wathola ucingo oluvela ebantwini ababili ababefuna ukuthi nabo bafakwe kulolu hlelo lwamathenda athinta ukulungiswa kwezitimela zakwaTransnet.